Let's unbox the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, I had the choice to purchase the 10 or the 9, but basically they were similar except for the AI features and the zoom, which is better in the 10. And if we remove the cover, we have the Pixel 9 Pro XL here with a protective film that we can remove. We also have the cable, which is USB-C for recharging the phone, and a set of instructions. Now let's remove this film smoothly. And here we go. At the back we have the camera, which are basically the same as the 10. Then we have here for recharging the phone. On the side we have the volume button and the power button. And that's pretty much it. So for the value it brings, I selected this one because it was cheaper than the 10 and it was even discounted. But overall, if you want the latest one, the 10 is the best option. If you want to see more videos about technology, subscribe to my YouTube channel.